Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We are going to learn how to clean our room so it can stay clean. When you start to clean your room, the first step is to make your bed. Step 2 is to put away your clothes. Step 3 is to clear all surfaces. And the fourth step is to clear your floors. Some of the items you will need if you don't have them already to make a home for your belongings are a tray for knickknacks, a hamper, trash bin, jewelry box, a bin for everyday personal items, makeup bag, pencil holder, a pencil pouch, and wallet. Nightstand with drawers, a dresser or chest, a vanity, preferably with drawers, an ottoman for toys or extra storage, a long mirror. If you're organizing a little girl's room, one big toy, Barbie house, or kitchen set. Furniture placement is very important because it makes your room feel cohesive and you will never feel like you need to change your furniture. You will center your furniture because it will become your focal point in your room. If you have a full or queen bed in your room, place the dresser in front of the bed, put the chest beside the bed, try to center it. If you have a twin size bed, you can put the bed going this way or that way. If your kids are sharing rooms, you can put the bed one on one side, another bed on the other side. Also, try not to block your windows when you are deciding where to put your furniture. I'm going to quickly show you how I like to keep my things organized. Starting with the nightstand, I like having a lamp. I have a coaster and a tray for knickknacks. I like my things to match the color of my nightstand because it makes it feel clean. Everything that I normally would use or put on my nightstand every night, I keep in my drawer. These organizers are from the Dollar Tree. I have pens, hair clips, nail care items, remotes, contacts, and notebooks. Laser remover, nail kit, and teeth whitening kit is in here. By the hamper and the trash bin, I like to keep, I have one straightener and one curling iron. Jewelry box with drawers. It's easy to put the jewelry back. If your jewelry doesn't fit in your jewelry box, it means you have too much and you need to get rid of it. My basket with hairbrush in it, deodorant, hairspray, and things like that I use on a daily basis. It's easy to put back. If you have an acrylic tray, for example, you can also get a clear makeup bag and a clear jewelry box. I think those look cute too to match. As you can see, I like neutral colors and that's just what works for me. In my makeup bag, I have everything I use for my face and makeup, and including moisturizers. This is very helpful because I keep my scissors in there and I use this comb to part my hair before blow drying it. An extra mascara when I run out of my other one. My closet, I keep my bags up top, nice hanging clothes. I hang my scarf on the scarf hanging organizer. My dresses and skirts are on this side. I like to color code all my clothes. My favorite hangers are these plastic hangers. The shoes are on the bottom of the closet. I keep my caps up there. In my drawers, I keep socks. Underwear are in this plastic shoebox. My bras are stacked. Big sweaters are folded. Pants and jeans, and I keep my warm hats in the center. My pajamas are in this drawer. Sets, sports bras are in this basket, and my t-shirt pajamas. In this drawer, I keep my outdoor clothes, long sleeve. My bathing suits are in this basket, and short sleeves. I use these to work on the yard outside. Leggings and sweatpants here. All my shorts are folded and stacked. Only having what fits in your closet and drawers will help your room stay clean. I like to blow dry my hair in front of this long mirror. My robe is hanging behind the door. I have one throw blanket and one decorative pillow, or you can use a stuffed animal if you're a kid. Having a place for your change also helps. If your room is a disaster and you don't know where to start, first thing you're going to do is make your bed. The second thing you will do is put away your clothes, get trash bags ready for donation or trash. The third thing you will do is clear surfaces. Now that you have a home for your things, you can start putting them away where they belong. The fourth thing you will do is clear your floors. You will make a big pile in the center of your room and you will start making categories. After you make your categories, you will put those things away where they belong in their home. Whatever's left, you will donate, throw away. You can repeat this last step when you do your closet and your drawers. Make it a habit to put away your things after using them, or you can put all your things away before going to bed. Make it a night routine. Get comfortable with having less. Have one item of everything at a time.